Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking Tips and Tricks. I'm your host Sarah, and today we're going to be talking all about carrots. First of all, carrots can be chopped in a variety of ways. You can cut them into matchsticks, which is perfect for dipping. You can shred them, which is great to put in salads, or you can chop them into rounds. The skin is very thin and sweet, so you don't need to peel them either. Carrots also can be enjoyed with the greens on top, so they taste almost like any other herb like cilantro or parsley. All you have to do is just twist them off and then chop them up, and I love to add them to salads for kind of an herby flavor or as a garnish on top of other dishes. Lastly, we're going to show you how to make a delicious carrot top pesto. It's similar to a traditional basil pesto, but it uses the whole carrot. So you can pretty easily just twist off the greens. When you're chopping your carrot tops, make sure you remove some of the brown pieces first. So always make sure to wash them really well and scrub all the dirt off of the carrots. Then just really carefully chop them roughly. Since they'll be going in the food processor anyway, for the pesto, they don't need to be chopped super finely. Another tip for when you're cutting your carrots, so to cut them into rounds, just do a claw so you don't cut yourself. And then you can cut them as thinly or as thick as you would like. And then for cutting them into matchsticks, just do it the long way. And I'll usually kind of cut it into halves and then just carefully cut like that. And then it's perfect for dipping. So to make your carrot top pesto, first you'll add walnuts that are roughly chopped and roughly chopped garlic clove into the food processor. And then we'll just pulse it a few times, just till it's a little chunky. Then we'll add our carrot tops, which you can just use about one bunch. And then we'll add some fresh basil to give it that traditional pesto flavor. We'll just add in some olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we'll go ahead and blend. And you might have to stop it a couple times to use a spatula and just kind of scrape down the sides a little bit to make sure it gets fully blended. And if it's too chunky, you can also stop it and add some extra olive oil to get it nice and smooth. So once it's nice and smooth like this, it's ready to go. Here is our finished carrot top pesto. And one really great way to enjoy it is on top of roasted carrots. So we're just gonna drizzle on top. You could also dip them if you wanted.
Thanks for watching Cooking Tips and Tricks. We can't wait to see what you make this week. Please tag us on Instagram and all your posts, and we'll see you next time.